In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format dynamic titles in Tableau, all within just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. Once you have it open, navigate to your worksheet where we'll begin constructing a simple bar chart. First, start by dragging order date onto the column shelf and then change its format to continuous month. This will give you a more detailed time series view of your data. Next, drag sales onto the rows shelf to begin visualizing the sales data over time. The next step is to create a filter to sort and view your data based on certain categories. So drag category to the filters shelf, select all available categories and click OK. This step allows you to narrow down the scope of your visualization based on your specific needs. To make this filter visible in your view, click on the drop-down arrow in the filter pane and select Show Filter. Also, make sure to adjust the filter settings so that it shows as a single value drop-down to streamline the options. At this point, you'll want to focus on customizing your title dynamically. Double-click on the sheet title, which will open the title editor. Remove all the existing text, then insert category before clicking OK. This small but effective step ensures that your title reflects the chosen data set, which updates automatically as you adjust the filter. For an even more dynamic title, you can use a parameter. Start by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the data pane and choosing Create Parameter. Name your parameter and choose String for the data type. Then select Profit as the current value. Next, click List. Add both profit and sales to this list, and click OK. With the parameter set up, let's incorporate it into your visualization by creating a calculated field. Craft a name for your calculated field, enter your query, then click OK. After that, drag subcategory into the column shelf and the newly created calculated field into the rows shelf. Find your parameter in the data pane and select Show Parameter to make it visible. Now, you've integrated parameters into your Tableau, allowing you to dynamically adjust data views with ease. Finally, double-click on the sheet title once more and update it to include subcategory followed by your parameter. Don't forget to make the title bold before clicking OK for a polished and professional look. And that's it. In this quick session, you've successfully learned how to create dynamic titles in Tableau by using filters and parameters, enhancing your ability to analyze and present data more effectively. Happy analyzing, and see you in the next video.